Hello there. Are you passionate about teaching? Are you looking for part-time, full-time job? Want to earn good amount of extra income? Yes, you are at the right place. Welcome to Home Shiksha. Meet Priya, a graduate with a passion for teaching, now has more free time as her children grow up. She wants to find a part-time teaching job that fits her schedule, allowing her to contribute financially to the household. One day while scrolling through her feed on social media, Priya finds HomeShiksha, a platform where people like her can work part-time and teach students within their surroundings offline in person. And immediately she decides to register on HomeShiksha. When you visit the HomeShiksha website, you'll notice a user-friendly interface with a clearly visible menu icon. From there, you can directly click on the Become a Tutor option or simply scroll down to the dedicated Become a Tutor section. Once you click Register, the process involves just 4 simple steps. First, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details such as your first and last name, gender, mobile number, and email address. After that, in the next step, you can select offline mode of teaching and then select the number of years of experience you have and whether you are looking for part-time or full-time opportunities. On clicking Next, you will have to enter the exact PIN code of the area in which you are located in, making it easier to match you with nearby students. To ensure security, you'll receive an OTP via SMS to confirm and verify your identity. With these straightforward steps, you'll be ready to start teaching with HomeShiksha in no time. After logging in, you can choose the preferred subjects and courses you want to teach. Then, from the drop-down menu you can select the subjects. On clicking Next, you can select the preferred syllabus. After saving, you'll receive recommended matches tailored to your expertise and preferences around your surroundings. Priya now balances her part-time teaching job with her responsibilities at home, all while pursuing her passion. Even if you are looking for academic or non-academic tuitions like singing, painting, dancing and many more, HomeShiksha has opportunities for you. Register now and start earning while doing what you love. Become a HomeShiksha tutor today and make a difference in students' lives.